guys, what's going on? Kelsey here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is round 2 of holiday videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your Christmas and holidays, and we are moving on to the new year. 2018 already. Holy crap. I thought it would be fun to do a first impressions review of the viral glitter lip kits that claim to be transfer proof. I don't really know how that's gonna go, but I'm excited to try it. So the glitter lip kit I did pick up is by Stay Golden Cosmetics. It retails for $18. It comes with a gloss as well as the loose glitter and an applicator, and it's supposed to, as soon as you apply the glitter, locks it in for the night. It's transfer proof. And I'm gonna go ahead and read the directions and try it out. Let's get started. Okay, so the kit I picked up is in the shade Burlesque. I thought it would be really fun for the holidays, especially for going out for New Year's, if you're like going to a club or somewhere with dim lights. I'll put up on the screen their videos for their promos are really cool. They look really awesome in like dim lighting or like strobe lights and stuff like that. So I thought it would be really fun to do a red and something Christmassy and holiday and fun. Yay! So it looks like this. And I will take it out of the packaging. It comes with a gloss. It says Gloss Blonde, make it party proof. And it comes with the applicator. It looks like the applicator has like a brush side and then like one of those old school eyeshadow sponge sides. And then it comes with the loose glitter as well, which is really pretty. All right, you guys, I'm going to read the directions. I'm really nervous. This is either gonna be awesome or a huge flop. So you're gonna experience this with me. Okay, so the first thing in the directions says to start with dry lips. I did put down a base coat of Jeffree Stars and Manny MUA's I'm Shook with the red, just because I just filmed this look in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. And secondly, I'm not really sure if the glitter's gonna be patchy, so I really wanted to put a red down first, just so it didn't look patchy and weird. They're dry, it's a liquid lip. Anyway, it says second is apply the gloss bond to your parted lips, one lip at a time. I'm scared. 3, it says once the gloss is clear, dampen the applicator and use it to pick up the glitter. Gently pat onto your lips to completely cover the gloss bond. So it has tips here. So it says, line your lips for a flawless finish. Oh, okay, good. So you can line your lips if you wanted to do that. So that's good to know. It says to remove, use an oil-based makeup remover, which is basically with any liquid lipstick. Oil breaks down liquid lipstick. It says our products are not for consumption. Well, I'd hope that's glitter. Perform a skin allergy test before using. Please do not use on cracked skin. Excessive use. Oh my god, I can't say excessive. I am excessive and I can't say excessive? Excessive use may cause dry lips. Keep away from children. It says, apply to parted lips one at a time. I'm scared, you guys, I'm scared, but I'm gonna try it. Are you ready? Okay, let's try it. All right, you guys, I'm gonna bring you in nice and close for this one. I'm not really gonna be able to talk while I do it, so I'm gonna do my bottom lip and wet my applicator that it gave me with some Urban Decay's All-Nighter Setting Spray, pat it on, do the top lip, and then we'll give it a transfer proof test and see how it goes. All right, let's get started. Oh my god, this looks so cool! It's like Dorothy's red slipper on my face. All right, you guys, here is the glitter lip kit. I'm obsessed with this. It's completely impractical, but I love it. That's spraying that tip of the applicator with setting spray. It picked up the glitter. You guys see that, right? There's no fallout. Just a little bit of glitter, but I'm just gonna put some translucent powder on a brush right here and just dust it away real quick. All right, you guys, so here's the glitter lip kit on my lips. I love this. Does it feel great? Not really. Yes and no. It's weird. It's like you can tell there's glitter on your lips, but it's not like overbearingly uncomfortable. Like it's not uncomfortable. Like I can totally talk and move my mouth. It's definitely not lash glue. Whatever this gloss is, it's not a lash glue. Like it's not sticky. It's not hard to move my mouth. Like I can talk. I'm actually really impressed for $18. I mean, I've seen some glitter lip kits from like Pat McGrath that were like outrageously expensive. This is only $18 and this is really fun and this looks really cool. I guess the true test will be, is it transfer proof? So here is the back of my hand, dun, da, da, and I'm gonna give it a smooch. You ready? Okay, so it's got like 1 or 2 glitters, but really, it didn't budge. I'm impressed. I am very impressed with this. For $18, this is awesome. So the last thing I wanna do is I want to shut off my ring light and show you guys what it looks like, how they do in their promo videos with the flash on, and just how insanely glittery it looks, because this lighting is definitely not doing this lip kit justice. It looks really cool in person. So hold on one second. I'm gonna put the flash on and I'll come right back. All right, you guys, my ring light is off and my flash on my phone is on. These are so cool. So this is what their promo videos mainly look like. They just zoom in real close and let the flash strobe over their lips. These are insanely glittery. Oh man, this looks so cool. I love it, it's so fun. This would be awesome for New Year's Eve, just like when the ball's dropping, you're outside and there's all those lights. Your mouth is like a party. All right, you guys, the lights are back on and I'm ready to give my final thoughts on this viral glitter lip kit from Stay Golden Cosmetics. I'm gonna give this lip kit a 4 out of 5 stars from me. I think it looks awesome. I'm amazed at how easy this went on and how little fallout from all that glitter. Really wetting the applicator with setting spray really did help it stick. And I mean, there's really no fallout. There's nothing in my teeth. Like, it looks really cool with the lights off. Do I think this is something that you could wear every day to the office, out, go get lunch with your friends? Definitely not. If you want to go out to the club or a special event, maybe your birthday or New Year's Eve with something like this for a couple of hours, yeah, you can definitely pull this off. This is really cool. I would highly recommend this one. And for only $18 with this kind of application, yep, I'm down with that. I'm definitely gonna be ordering more from them. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time.